What are you going to do to attract buyers to your home so it sells for top dollar? Hey, this is Troy Schlicker with Reserve Realty here in Austin, Texas, and today I'm going to answer the question, what are you going to do to attract buyers to your home? This is a critical question to ask because there's a way realtors used to do it, and then there's a way we do it today. In the old days of selling real estate, and I'm mostly kidding because the old days were literally only a decade ago, but in the old days, most realtors would just adhere to the 3 Ps. Put a sign in the yard, put the home on the MLS, and pray that it sells. While you used to be able to get away with that a decade ago, and quite frankly, many realtors got away with it over the last couple of years in this crazy real estate market, times have changed. In today's real estate market, what is critical to attracting buyers to your home so they'll take it under consideration are the new 3 Ps. Preparation of the home, the pricing strategy of the home, and promotion of the home. What we do is create a marketing strategy and campaign to attract the most buyers to your home. Now, buyers are everywhere if you know where to look. So that begs the question, where do you find home buyers? In today's world, home buyers are in the same place that almost all other buyers are. They're online. We're not having this conversation in person. You've gone online to learn about marketing your home, and home buyers are doing their home searches online as well. In fact, the National Association of Realtors states that about 95% of home buyers start their home search online. This is why it's so important to have an aggressive marketing strategy that takes into account social media marketing, online marketing, as well as the traditional forms of marketing like holding an open house, and yes, we still will put a sign in your yard. However, when it comes to marketing your home, sticking a sign in your yard and praying that the home will sell is not an effective strategy, especially if you're trying to get top dollar for your home or if you need to sell in a specific time frame. Your marketing strategy must expose your home to the maximum number of home buyers currently in your market today. What we do at Reserve Realty is use a comprehensive marketing plan with many exposure points so that we can market your home in a lot of different places such as Google, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, as well as many more. All of these different tools, technologies, and activities are utilized to make sure your home gets exposed to the most number of home buyers in the marketplace. So if you're interested in receiving a detailed marketing plan specific to your home and your situation, all you need to do is reach out and let us know.